Hey everyone, TechRich here, and I'm here to tell you how to fix the video playback lag in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here's our clip. When I hit play, you'll see how laggy it is. As you can see, there is even a double jump right here, which indicates a major lag. To fix this lag, first we're going to rewind the video. Then we're going to right click and we're going to uncheck high quality playback. This right here should fix the issue for majority view. However, as you see here, this machine can still not handle this clip. If that's the case for you, you may need to reduce the video playback resolution. So when we right click and we go down to playback resolution, we'll set it to 1/4. This will make the clip appear grainier, as seen here, but it will not affect the exported product. So, as you can see, when I set it to 1/4, this clip runs much smoother. But if your video playback is still lagging, that may be due to too many video effects as seen in this clip. If that's the case, you may need a global function mute. To do this, click the plus icon and drag the FX button to your toolbar. Then click the button to enable. Here, it will remove most of the video effects for viewing, however, they will still be in the final exported product. Anyways, I hope this video has helped you. If it has, make sure to like it. Thank you so very much for watching.